Some clients need a single piece of heavy equipment that can assist them with a variety of tasks on their job site. That's why Rent1.ca brought in the Caterpillar 420 F2 Backhoe, a versatile vehicle that combines the benefits of an excavator and a wheel loader into one maneuverable machine. The 420 F2 has a 93 horsepower engine that offers high performance for every earth-moving application. This backhoe loader has an operating weight of 15,395 pounds. The maximum digging depth of the 420 F2 excavator arm is 14 feet 4 inches, and the maximum digging reach is 18 feet 5 inches. You can lift large quantities of material on the front end, with a loader bucket lifting capacity of 3,283 kilograms. Need something efficient and versatile for your next construction project? Check out the CAT 420 F2 online at Rent1.ca.